Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best moment of tooth is probably one of the most essential items in any modern household, offering a unique blend of convenience and effectiveness that can truly transform your daily routine. Imagine effortlessly achieving a pristine smile with a device that not only cleans thoroughly but also promotes gum health and leaves your mouth feeling exceptionally fresh, all thanks to its advanced technology and user-friendly design. This isn't just another gadget, it's an investment in your oral hygiene and overall well-being, promising a superior clean that traditional methods simply can't match, making it a standout choice for anyone prioritizing a healthy and radiant smile. Number 5. KODAK Dock Plus 4x6 Photo Printer. Introducing the KODAK Dock Plus, the ultimate home photo printer. It delivers stunning 4x6-inch prints directly from your smartphone, making photo printing effortless. Simply dock your phone for a stable connection and charge your device while you print. It's designed for convenience and continuous use. Experience true-to-life colors with our 4-pass dye sublimation technology. Each print is laminated for fingerprint, water, and fade resistance, ensuring lasting memories. Get started in seconds with easy Bluetooth connectivity. No complicated setup, just power on and print your favorite photos instantly. Perfect for your home, this printer is ideal for photo albums, framing, and capturing memories at family events. Enjoy consistent performance for all your printing needs. Enhance your photos before printing with our intuitive app. Edit, crop, and customize your images on your iPhone or Android device for creative and personalized results. What we like? This printer offers a unique docking station that charges your phone while you print. It also features easy Bluetooth connectivity for quick setup. If you're looking for a convenient way to print photos directly from your phone at home, this is a great choice. What people say. The Moment of Tooth is a beautifully designed and well-crafted product that exceeded my expectations. The functionality of the Moment of Tooth is impressive, with its intuitive interface and versatile features. I was particularly impressed by the attention to detail in the design of the Moment of Tooth, making it a joy to use. Number 4. Tooth Fairy Receipt Cards and Bag Set. Capture the magic of your child's lost tooth with these special keepsake cards and a charming bag. It's a delightful way to commemorate this exciting milestone. Designed for every child, these gifts add an extra touch of wonder to the Tooth Fairy tradition. They're a wonderful surprise for both boys and girls. Each set includes a beautiful certificate, serving as a treasured keepsake for years to come. It's a sweet reminder of their visit from the Tooth Fairy. The elegant light gold design adds a touch of sparkle to this special occasion. These charming pieces are sure to be cherished. This comprehensive set includes everything needed for a memorable Tooth Fairy visit. You'll receive receipt cards and a special bag, making the experience even more magical. Looking for the perfect gift for a child celebrating a lost tooth? This set offers a unique and memorable present that they'll love. What we like? This set provides charming receipts and a keepsake certificate for the Tooth Fairy. It's a delightful way to commemorate a child's lost tooth. If you want to add a special touch to the Tooth Fairy tradition for your child, this is a perfect little gift. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 3. Tickle and Mane Tooth Fairy Pillow Kit. Introducing the Tickle and Mane Tooth Fairy Pillow Kit, a magical 3-piece set designed for children ages 5 to 10. It includes a special pillow for the Tooth Fairy, a fun notepad, and a pouch to keep memories. This charming pillow is made from soft felt, perfect for little ones. Its enchanting design turns losing a tooth into an exciting adventure for everyone. Encourage creativity with the included notepad. It has space for drawing and writing, making each Tooth Fairy visit even more special and memorable. Keep the magic alive with a special pouch. It's perfect for storing a photo of your child's proud smile and their lost tooth, creating a lasting keepsake. This delightful set is a wonderful gift for any child aged 5 to 10. It's a convenient way for parents to bring extra wonder and joy to this special tradition. What we like? This pillow kit includes a special pocket for the lost tooth, an interactive notepad for notes, and a pouch for a photo. It makes the Tooth Fairy visit an exciting adventure. If you're looking for a complete and engaging set to make losing a tooth magical for kids aged 5 to 10, this is an excellent option. What people say. The product is very easy to use and the instructions are clear. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 2. Chip Tooth Smile. Tired of chips and cracks in your smile? We have the perfect solution for you. Get ready to reveal your best smile yet. Don't let dental imperfections hold you back any longer. Our innovative approach can help you regain your confidence. You deserve to smile freely. Experience results that look and feel completely natural. We focus on creating a seamless blend with your existing teeth. Your smile will be beautifully enhanced. The process is designed to be easy and comfortable for you. We prioritize your experience from start to finish. Enjoy a hassle-free transformation. Imagine the smile you've always wanted. With our help, it's now within reach. Let us help you achieve your dream smile today. What we like. This item features a playful phrase related to a smile. It's a simple and light-hearted novelty. If you appreciate a bit of fun and want a small, amusing item, this could be for you. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. It is easy to use and performs as advertised. Number 1. Precious Moments Love Deeper Than Ocean Figurine. Embrace the depth of your love with this exquisite piece. Inspired by the vast ocean, it captures a tender moment shared by a couple. Picture a sweet duo sharing a cozy moment by the sea, with the ocean breeze and a loving message etched in the sand. It's a scene that evokes cherished memories. This figurine is ideal for couples who cherish tropical adventures and romantic getaways. It's a heartwarming addition to any collection. Celebrate your sweetheart or a special couple with this beautiful gift. It's perfect for anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, or simply to say, I love you. Meticulously crafted from fine bisque porcelain, each detail is expertly hand-painted. This collectible is a testament to quality and artistry. Measuring approximately 5.5 inches high, this piece is designed to be a lasting reminder of your deepest affections. It's a treasure for any collector. What we like. This figurine captures a sweet, romantic moment by the ocean. It's meticulously hand-painted and inspired by shared adventures. If you're searching for a heartfelt gift for a couple or a loved one that celebrates romance and shared memories, especially those with a love for the sea, this is a beautiful choice. What people say. The product is a great addition to my collection. I love the design and how it looks on my shelf. It works perfectly and does exactly what it's supposed to do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.